All right, so I'm going to show you how to connect your Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses to a Wi-Fi network. So by default, as you're setting up the Ray-Bans, you're going to connect them to the same Wi-Fi as your phone. But if for some reason you want to connect them to a different Wi-Fi network, you can go to the Meta AI app and then select your specific glasses and then go to Wi-Fi. Now here, you can tap on Add Network, and it's going to scan for available Wi-Fi networks, and then select the specific network you want to connect to and enter the password. Then tap on Next. Then it says network added. You can now tap on Done, and there you go. So that is how to connect your Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses to a different Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching, and good luck.